I'm just gonna do this one more for Jeff.
We got EXO. Gonna get a demo of Frankie, Eardrum Assassin in this motherfucker. 159.9 today. We got a ton of people fucking waiting to get in this bitch. And he's having problems with the alternator belt, so we're gonna make this quick.
We'll give you a good layout. We'll give you
Some people want me to be heads or tails. I say no way, try again another day.
Starting to smoke again?
Dude, hands down the loudest fucking thing I've ever been in.
That's the loudest you've ever been in? Fuck yeah, I feel privileged.
Dude, the only other thing to make me feel like that was Derek's port in the fucking Sebring, dude.
No shit.
Dude, that fucking, wow.
That makes me happy, bar.
Holy shit, man. Thank you.
You're welcome,
that
man.
was fucking stellar.
That's music to my ears. And yours.
Dude. Wow. Hot seat like a motherfucker.
Even out here.
Holy shit. Wow. Dude, hands down loudest thing I've ever sat in. That was fucking bananas.
Alright, back to subject 2 action.